Bit of a weird intro because this is future me from this video. Basically today I'm going to be polishing my friend James's S2000. I did start this video at my house, just the washing stage and stuff like that, and recorded it on my other camera, which today I forgot. But because of the rain, it was very start-stop, so I'm now at James's house in his garage, and I'm just going to be finishing off kind of the polishing part of the clean, I guess. So yeah, the first clips you're going to see are from before, and then when we're in this garage, we're back to the present day. So on these clips, I'm just showing the current condition of the car. I don't think it's ever been washed, I think for around 2 years or something like that. This is his track car, so we aren't looking or expecting perfection. There's quite a lot of deep scratches and basically all of the paintwork is Swell City. There's some clips further forward in the video where I'm back in James's garage to kind of show you a bit more, but this is where we started. And just a quick reminder, this is my first time doing any machine polishing like this. So here I'm just starting with the wheels. I use Auto Finesse shampoo in the bucket. I'm sure there's much better options, but this is what I've used. And then I've got an arch brush, a tyre brush, and then like a cheap barrel brush. And I also have a small mitt in the bucket as well. My wheel cleaner of choice is the Built Hamber Auto Wheel. I've probably put way too much on here, but I don't think they've ever been cleaned. As you can see, the Built Hamber's done its thing and the wheels have turned purple. Just going through now to scrub the inside of the barrels and use the little mitt to do all the spokes, and then clean off the tyres with the tyre brush at the end. Really, these wheels need a proper clean and a ceramic coating applied to them, but they turned out really nice from this just quick clean and rinse. Next thing I did was give it a spray with the Auto Finesse Citrus Power. Again, I'm sure there's a much better product, but this is what I had. So yeah, just giving all the front and lower half of the car a quick spritz in the Auto Finesse Citrus. Next up is snow foam. This is Built Hamber Touchless. In my opinion, the best snow foam that you can get. I'll just speed this up because I imagine you've seen a car snow foam 7,000 times. And then just some nice little clips at the end. Now we're on to the wash stage. Again, this is just Auto Finesse shampoo, 2-bucket method. And we'll zoom through this because I'm sure you've all washed a car before. Now I'm just going over the whole car with Carbon Collective React, the fallout remover. Again, I'm just an amateur. There's probably people saying what you're doing, this is terrible. If that's the case, leave a comment. But yeah, just did this all over the car. And then lastly in the washing stage was the clay bar. I used this Carbon Collective clay puck. I actually personally prefer using a clay bar because I think it's more satisfying, but obviously it takes a lot longer. Be interested to know what everyone else's opinion is in the comments. Do you prefer like a clay bar or do you just use a clay mitt for ease? But yeah, this is the last of the washing stage. Thought it might be just good to quickly talk around what I'm using. So I actually bought this sample kit. So we've got the cut with the matching wool pad. I've got the yellow pad with the matching fine polish compound. And then we've got the foam pad, which is used with the ultra finishing polish. There is another stage, but for the top coat on this, I'm going to use Soft 99's like filler wax because it is pretty bad, and hopefully get a good result with that. But yeah, you can buy this as like a little sample kit, so I thought I'd just buy it and see what I thought. So yeah, let's get on with it. Cool, so just gonna do a quick video with the light to kind of show you what we're currently working with. So this panel I actually already did a couple of stages on, and it's loads better than it was. Not perfect because I don't really know what I'm doing, to be honest. Very much a beginner, but yeah, so this is an example of this is the boot, and as you can see, it's absolutely battered. So let's see what we can do with this boot. So this is after one pass, obviously not perfect, but compared to like this half, huge difference. You can just see the line there. Just wanted to put this quick clip of the mirror up. So this is the scratches on the mirror before, and then this is after, and that's just after one pass. Then this is just a quick clip of me doing the actual polishing. So what I was doing is starting the machine, which is just the Auto Finesse DA, so like just the cheap one. I was just starting it on the number 2 on the settings, and just kind of spreading the polish around, and then upping it to 6 and doing a few passes. So yeah, this is just a quick little clip of me doing the actual polishing. Again, not a professional or anything, so happy for anyone's tips or anything here. This is what the boot looked like after 2 passes with the light on. Loads better, but not perfect, but a very big improvement. So a quick update, I've only done 2 stages of polish. Basically the front end is absolutely battered with stone chips, and it is a track car, so rather than putting the extra time and effort in, I've just done the like final cut stage, which is now done, and then we're going to give the Soft 99 wax a whirl and see if it fills in any of the bigger scratches, and then we're done. Like I say, it's not 100%. Also, yeah, didn't really spend that much time on it, but it's a vast improvement of what it was before. Just wanted to put this clip in just as a comparison. So this was the front wing before I'd done anything. As you can see, there's quite a few big scratches in it, lots of swirls, and then this is what it looked like afterwards. So as you can see there, a massive improvement on what we started with. Right, so that's it, finished. Like I say, a bit of a half-assed job, to be honest. That Soft 99 wax stuff, really weird, almost like you're spreading butter on. I don't know how I feel about it, but time will tell, I guess. But yeah, let me know if you want to see more videos of me attempting to do detail and stuff with having 0 experience. So just to finish up, this is what it looked like after I'd finished. Like I say, not perfect, but I'm a bit of a beginner here, so just learning as I go. If you've got any tips or anything, then please put them in the comments. Be good to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.